this section, we'll talk about hand positions for headaches. Reiki, being so simple and so profound, is available anywhere at any time. So when one has a headache, it's a natural response to put the hands to the head. The Reiki way is not to force anything, but to get out of the way, to let the ego stand aside, and to let the energy flow. And as it flows, it gently massages the energy. It's radiating from your forehead, from your face, from the back of your head, and allowing it all to come back into balance. We can move our hand positions to cover the front and back of the head, as we did for hand positions for clarity, because headaches often prevent us from having clarity. And so as we allow the energy to cascade down and through, we give ourselves the permission to receive and restore and come back to balance. And lastly, it's always a good idea with a headache to not only cover your head, but your throat, your heart, your abdomen. In fact, if you have the time, to give a mini self-treatment would be most beneficial, because by the time that you're through, your headache will most likely have dissolved. In the next section, we'll talk about Reiki for pregnancy.